In this segment, we will be looking at finding intercepts and zeros of a function given the graph. And one note here now, a new term that they'll introduce at this point is what's called the zero of a function. The zero of a function is basically a value of x that makes y equal to 0. In other words, it's the same thing that we've always called the x-intercept. And I think what you'll notice here is that as you get into more advanced parts of math, not only will the problems become more advanced, but the language will become more advanced. They will introduce other terms, sometimes other terms for things that we've already known before, and other times they'll introduce more sophisticated notation or a shorter type of shorthand for things that we've done before. So in this case, they introduce the concept of a zero of a function, which is just another kind of a fancy name for the x-intercept. It's the value of x that makes y 0. So we'll kind of learn to talk that language as we look at this next problem in ALEKS. So right away here they say, here's the graph of a function. They want us to give all zeros and y-intercepts. Well, right away, a zero of the function is the same thing as the x-intercept. As we look here along the x-axis, where the graph touches or crosses, and we see it's right there. There's our x-intercept. But from now on, we'll call that by its new name, the zero of the function. So there's a zero of the function at 1. So we can put that in. The y-intercept, of course, is where the graph crosses the y-axis. So as we come down through here, we can see it's right there. There's our y-intercept, and it is -1. Let's do this again. And once again, let's practice with the new terminology. Okay, let's maybe we can do another one of those. Okay, on this one, notice once again we're back to calling it x and y intercepts. And in this case, the y-intercept we can see here is at 4 because that's where the function crosses the y-axis. But notice here that the function does not cross the x-axis. There is no x-intercept. There is no zero of the function. And so we would click on none in this case. And so watch out for that one. This is finding x and y-intercepts as well as zeros of the function in ALEKS College Algebra.